How to find the best pubs on the Ring of Kerry. Are you ready to discover where to find the best pubs along the stunning Ring of Kerry? This scenic route in southwest Ireland is not just about breathtaking views. It also boasts an array of charming pubs. Each town and village along the way offers a unique atmosphere and experience. Start your journey in Killarney, one of the main hubs for visitors. Here, you can find pubs like Courtney's Bar, famous for its extensive selection of Irish whiskies and beers. The Devil's Punch Bowl Bar is another excellent choice, offering delicious food with a view of a historic castle. As you continue your adventure, make your way to Kenmare. This town is known for its gourmet focus, and pubs like P.F. McCarthy's are celebrated for their quality food and drink. Do not overlook the smaller towns and villages along the route. In Killarney, you will find Falvey's Bar, which pays tribute to a local farmer, and Kingston's Beer Garden, known for its lively music scene. Glenbeigh features historic pubs like the Towers Hotel Bar and Old Glenbeigh Hotel Bar, both popular with locals. Next, head to Cahersiveen, where Frank's Bar and Firtha Bar provide a cozy and traditional pub experience. Waterville is home to the Fisherman's Bar, which has been run by the same family for over a century, and the Lobster Bar, famous for its Guinness stew. Caherdaniel's, the Blind Piper and Freddy's Bar are authentic local spots worth visiting. Sneem's Dan Murphy's Pub is another notable stop along your journey. To find the best pubs, keep these tips in mind. First, prioritize pubs that have a strong local following. This often leads to a more genuine experience. Look for pubs that host traditional Irish music sessions, as this adds to the lively atmosphere. Check if the pub serves local specialties, such as unique stews or regional whiskies. Asking locals or your accommodation hosts for their favorite pubs can also lead you to hidden gems. Visiting pubs in different towns allows you to experience a variety of settings, from bustling town centers to quiet coastal villages. By combining stops at well-known pubs in larger towns with visits to family-run establishments in smaller communities, you will enjoy a rich taste of the pub culture along the Ring of Kerry. And as you sip your drink, take a moment to appreciate the beautiful Irish coastal views that surround many of these establishments. This journey is not just about the pubs. It is about soaking in the stunning landscapes that make the Ring of Kerry truly special.